Hello friends, hope you all are fine. So friends, today I am going to discuss about 52 animals with the widest names. Evolution has played cruel games with certain animals, making them the target of man's sense of humor. Here are some birds, animals and insects with funny and strange names. Entomologist Paul Marsh named two wasp species in the genus Herz. He called one Herz toya, Herz toya, and the other Herz Lukencha. Here's looking at Cha. Just like Paul Marsh, scientists find many more such amazing creatures every year. There are many millions of species of animals, birds and insects known to man. After a while, naming them gets more challenging. Some are cute and fluffy, while others are large and scary, who are less challenging to name. And then there are those who are simply so unique and wild that even those great minds who discovered them have no idea what to christen them with. What do they do then, you ask? Well, they get innovative with wild and funny names befitting their new discoveries. Some take inspiration from cartoons wise adorable flying elephants or fairies and come up with Dumbo octopus and pink fairy armadillo as names. Others get more obvious and come up with names like the naked mole rat. And then there are those who unleash their imagination and get really creative with names like Carmenelectra sensumei. Following are some such exciting animals with strange and funny names that you just have to read to believe. Animals, birds and insects with funny names. Axolotl. Fun fact, this magnificent lake dweller is almost extinct in the wild. These amphibians do not go through any metamorphosis and remain young for their whole life. Native region, central Mexico. Babirusa. Fun fact, Babirusa seems to have walked right out of a Greek myth. It has a loping tusk coming out of its mouth and from above its snout. Native region, Sulawesi. Chinstrap penguin. Fun fact, these penguins are known for their distance, thin line that runs from ear to ear, which gave them their name. Native region, Antarctica and South Sandwich Islands. Christmas tree worm. Fun facts, Christmas tree worms have a fascinating way of reproduction. Both the male and female Christmas tree worms send out their eggs and sperms into the water. The fertilized egg settles and develop into larvae or corals. Native region, tropical coral reef around the world. Fossa. Fun fact, this solitary cat-like creature is in fact related to a mongoose. It is the largest carnivore and predator of the island. Native region, Madagascar. Fried egg jellyfish. Fun fact, this jellyfish has a belly that measures up to 24 inches across and is yellow or white in color. It has a yellow center circle which is known as the gonadal mass, thus giving it a fried egg look against the white bell-like background. Native region worldwide. Frill-necked lizard. Fun fact, when these lizards feel threatened, they do not detach their tails. They derive their name because of their pleated skin flap on the necks, which they flare out around their head when they feel threatened. Native region, Australia. Gerenuk. Fun fact, this species of antelope is very recognizable because of its long and slender neck and skinny legs. What makes this magnificent creature even more fascinating is its ability to stand on its hind legs to reach those hard to reach leaves. Native region, Somalia, Tanzania and Kenya. Hummingbird hawk moth. Fun fact, this moth unique ability to fly and hover like a hummingbird gives it its name. Native region, Europe, North Africa and Asia. Leafy sea dragon. Fun fact, leafy sea dragon resembles a piece of drifting seaweed, hence its name, which works well as a camouflage. This little creature has neither teeth nor a stomach and feeds exclusively on Mysodophis shrimp. Native region, Australia. Patagonian Mara. Fun fact, Patagonian maras look like giant rabbits or miniature deer, but in reality they are rodents. They often live in monogamous pairs and mate a couple of times each year. Native region, Argentina. Agravation. Fun fact, Agrabah is a beetle that has around 40,000 species and they come from